Recovery isn't just about stopping harmful behaviors. It's also about building a mindset that supports happiness and resilience. That's where unconditional self-acceptance comes in. In our modern world, we define success by things like how much money we make, how physically attractive we are, or how many people love us. Unconditional self-acceptance is about loving and accepting yourself completely, no matter what. It means understanding that you are valuable simply because you exist. When you accept yourself unconditionally, you create a safe space to grow, change, and heal. Unconditional self-acceptance helps us realize that we are not our addictive behavior, and that our worth isn't tied to that behavior. Everyone makes mistakes, but sometimes we can be really hard on ourselves because of them. Remind yourself of your value and that you deserve love and respect just as you are. By learning to unconditionally accept yourself, you're building a strong, resilient mindset. Remember, acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means having the courage to face reality with an open heart and a ready spirit, prepared to make the most of whatever comes your way.